rope. What? Grab the rope. Grab the rope.
Hello, welcome to Nature Days Outdoor Learning Resources. Now, I hope you enjoyed my little filming. And my challenge for you today is to create your own adventure story based in your garden. So I've given you some ideas there, but what I want you to do is to have a look around your garden and see how a story is inspired by the landscape. Now, it could be big, using your family as actors, or you could go right down to small level and use Lego or maybe minifigures and see if you can use the landscape in your garden to be the backdrop to a fantastical world. So think about how you could adapt it. Could your veg packs be a swamp? Could your little bit of trees be a jungle? And see what story you can create. Then you need to create a storyboard. You could do some pictures like a cartoon. Then you need to direct it. So you need to think about what scenes you need to film where, how are you going to move it. You could use stop motion capture if you're using Lego figures, or you could just move them around with your hands. And then you need to put an overlay of your words. So you need to do a voiceover, or you could put some music in the background, or you could even write a script and put some subtitles in. It's completely up to you. And don't forget your title of your film. It's got to be really powerful and exciting and let people know what it's all about and what they want to, whether they want to watch it or not. When you've finished your films or your storybooks, I would absolutely love to see them. So please, tweet them on Twitter, #NatureDays, and link me in @DawnNatureDays, or you can put them on the Nature Days Facebook page, or you can email them to me, naturedays@reynoldston.com. Now, if you're enjoying these activities, then there is an activities pack that I've created, some outdoor learning challenge cards for you. And there's a similar one to this in the outdoor challenge cards. So if you're interested in purchasing some outdoor challenge cards, all across the curriculum, lots of exciting activities, getting the children to work independently using the outdoor space, please email to me to get some free samples and see if you'd like to purchase. So good luck and good adventuring.